Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord stuck on checking for updates. First, close Discord completely. Right-click the Discord icon on the taskbar and choose Quit. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. A small window will appear. Type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder and delete it. Next, open the Run window again by pressing Windows and R. This time type %local app data% and press Enter. Again, find the Discord folder and delete it. Now restart your computer. This clears any leftover files that may cause the update loop. After the restart, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. Click on Download for Windows and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Run the installer and let Discord install fresh files. This usually fixes the update issue. If none of these steps work, your firewall or antivirus might be blocking Discord. Turn it off. Once you follow these steps, Discord should open normally, and you can continue using it. Thanks for watching.